And so your current big project is the London Underground.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
I'm going to ask you a question and you're going to say you're not going to answer. How much is it worth?
So I'm not going to answer because it's commercially sensitive, right? However, what I will say, Richard, is that we're investing over 1.2 billion pounds in terms of the build of that program, and that is over the lifetime of the contract, which is a 20 plus 5-year contract, which has not just seeing BAI put in a 5G and 4G network in this environment, but actually upgrading to 6G and 7G during the period, because every 7 years that goes by, an extra G is added as such. So because of the length of it, we expect to do upgrades. But we will effectively run 700 kilometers of cable in that environment, and linking all of the technology up that we need to link up. We are not just tasked with putting in a cellular infrastructure in the underground. We're also tasked with doing a parallel network for police, fire, and ambulance for emergency services. We're taking over 100,000 streetscape assets at street level, which are traffic lights, lampposts, bus shelters, front of stations. We'll also run a fiber network through the underground, coming up at every one of the iconic stations, to 9 data centers that we're building across London, and actually interlinking these with the traffic management ducts that are at street level that TfL own. We'll also take over the existing pilot on the Jubilee line, and furthermore, we'll take over the Wi-Fi that's been in there for over 10 years, and we'll enhance that. So it's a massive program. It's a truly connected London, and as I said, London is the last greenfield place of its size and scale in the world to have this, and it's been denied it for decades.